Good morning, girls. Today I'm going to start lesson number 14, continued ratios. Chapter 5 we've started. We have done ratios, we have done proportions, direct and inverse proportion. Now we will do the continued ratio. We have already done simple ratio. Now we are going to do continued ratios today. So what is a continued ratio? What we do, we compare more than two quantities. Okay, what we do comparison between more than two quantities. Okay, in simple ratio we compare two quantities. Now in continued ratios we compare more than two quantities. Okay, so if more quantities are given, for example, okay, for example, افتخار answer and Rashid. Okay, these are three persons jointly started a business. Okay, started a business. Okay, now three persons started a business by investing some money. Okay, now how much they have invested, the ratio between افتخار iftikhar's and answers capitals is 2:3. Okay, this is the ratio between iftikhar's and answers, and the ratio between answers and Rashid's capitals is 3:4. Okay, there were three persons. So Iftikhar, Ansar and Rashid, they jointly started their business. So ratio between Iftikhar and Ansar is 2:3. Then ratio between Ansar and Rashid is 3:4. Okay, so now what you have to find, what is the ratio? What is the ratio between the capitals of Iftikhar and Rashid? Okay, so out of 3 you have to check these two's ratio. Okay, so there were three persons, Iftikhar, Ansar and Rashid. They started business, so the ratio between Iftikhar and Ansar is 2:3. Then Ansar is to Rashid is 3:4, and you have to find the ratio of Iftikhar and Rashid. So there are three persons, so how you find it? So how you are going to compare these quantities? So it is known as continued ratio. So what we are going to do, we will write the name of all three persons. Iftikhar, okay, Iftikhar. In ratio we write two quantities. Now here there are three, so we will write all three. Iftikhar is to Ansar, okay. Then next is Rashid. All three we are going to write. So all three we have written. Iftikhar, Ansar and Rashid. Now in the question it is mentioned that ratio between Iftikhar and Ansar is 2 is to 3. So ratio of Iftikhar and Ansar is 2 is to 3. Then it is written that the ratio between Ansar and Rashid is 3 is to 4. So Ansar and Rashid is 3 is to 4. Now what you have to do, you have to find the ratio between the capitals of Iftikhar and Rashid. Okay, so we have written the ratio of all three. Now how to compare these ratios? Okay, what we do, now you can see that this is 2. So ratio of Iftikhar is 2. Answer is 3 and 3. So we will write it once. Okay, common ratio it is. Both are same. So write it once. Common term once and 4. Okay, so these are the three ratios. So the ratio between Iftikhar and Rashid is 2 is to 4. Okay, so this way you have to make the columns. So the ratio between Iftikhar capital, Iftikhar's capital and Rashid's capital is 2 is to 4. Okay, so this way you have to write the quantities. Here three people are giving, 3 persons are 3 quantities, so compare the ratios. Iftikhar and Ansar was given, Ansar and Rashid was given, so you have compared Iftikhar and Rashid. Okay, so it's not difficult, it's easy. Just write what is given in the question and write the ratios accordingly. Okay, now example again I'll give you from your book, in your exercise book. Okay, it is. So let me give you the example. Now you have to write the question. Okay, example 1, it is in your book on page 97. Okay, this question is on page 97. What it is that divide rupees 860 among Ayub, Azam and Akbar. Okay, you have to divide this amount between these three people in such a way, the amount is also given. Okay, in such a way that if Ayub gets if Ayub gets 5 rupees, then Azam gets 4 rupees, and if Azam gets 6 rupees, then Akbar gets 8 rupees. Okay, so this is the question. There is amount also given. So amount was 860 rupees. You have to divide this between Ayub, Azam and Akbar. And how you are going to divide it, ratio is given. If Ayub gets 5 rupees, Azam will get 4, and if Azam will get 6, Akbar will get 8. Okay, so this is the ratio given. So you are going to divide the amount according to this ratio. Okay, So let's write the names, quantities, okay, ratios and all. So the total amount is mentioned. So total amount is rupees 860. Okay, this is the total amount. Now which three names are given? You'll write the three names: Ayub, Ratio, Azam, okay, and third name is Akbar. Okay, these are the three people. Now what is the ratio given? If Ayub gets 5 rupees, Ayub gets 5 rupees, Azam gets 4, so 5 is to 4. And if Azam gets 6 rupees, so Azam gets 6 rupees, then Akbar gets 8, so 6 is to 8. Okay, so this is the ratio given. Now you can write this. Now you can see this Azam 4 and 6 are different. In previous example it was same, it was common. Okay, when their common terms are common, then you can write it once. Now here both are different, 4 and 6, so we will make them same. How to make these same? What we do, we take out LCM. Okay, take out LCM of 4 and 6. Okay, what we are going to do, LCM of 4 and 6, it is 12. Okay, take out LCM of 4 and 6, it is 12. Okay, so what we are going to do, so how to make it 12, what we are going to do to make them same, to keep these ratios same, what we are going to do, we will multiply this by 3 and this by 2 to get 12. Okay, so LCM of 4 and 6, so multiply 4 and 6 by 3 and 2. Okay, LCM is 12. So to get 12, what you are going to do, you will multiply this by 3, you'll get 12, and this you will multiply it by 2 to get 12, this LCM 12. Okay, what we have done, take out LCM of 4 and 6. Why? Because both are different, so you cannot write the common term. So we will make them same. How to make them same? Take out LCM of 4 and 6. So LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. You all know how to find LCM. Okay, you will use this method, 4 and 6 LCM method. Okay, so 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 1, and then 3 into 1. So 2 into 2, 4 into 3 is 12. So the LCM is 12. Okay, LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. Now to get 12, we'll multiply 4 by 3 and 6 into 2. So you will get 12. Now what we do, whatever we multiply with this 4, same you'll multiply with this same row, same number. Okay, and here you are multiplying it by 2, so same row multiplied by 2. Okay, what we have done, take out LCM. LCM is 12, so make these two terms 12. 4 into 3 is 12, 6 into 2 is 12. Whatever you multiply with this, you will multiply the same row with 3. Whatever you are multiplying here, same row you will multiply by 2. Okay, you are multiplying this with 2, so same row multiplied by 2. So 5 into 3 is 15. This ratio is 12. Common is 12. 4 into 3 12. 6 into 2 12. So common term, write it once. 12 is to 8 into 2 is 16. Okay, so we have written these ratios. Now you have to divide the amount. So for this, what we do, we will add these ratios. Okay, sum of the ratio you are going to write. So sum of ratios, sum of ratios. Sum is 15 plus 12 plus 16. Okay, so sum of ratio is 43. You know the total amount, it is 860. Sum is 43. Now one by one we are going to solve and we will find the share. Okay, let's start with the first one. First is Ayub's share. Ayub's share. Okay, so what we are going to do, Ayub's ratio is 15. 15 multiplied by total amount divided by sum of ratio. So answer is, you can use calculator. 15 multiplied by 860 equals to divided by 43. So you will get rupees 300. Amount is in rupees, so rupees 300. First answer. Now second share you'll find. Second is Azam. Same way you will solve. Azam's share. Okay. Azam's share now. Azam is 12 into total amount divided by sum of the ratio 43, this ratio. So multiply 12 into 860 divided by 43. So you will get rupees 240. You can use calculator, so you'll get this answer. Next is, last one is Akbar's share. So Akbar's share. Okay, Akbar's share. Akbar is, you can see it is 16. So 16 into total amount divided by sum of ratios. So multiply and divide, use calculator, you'll get answers rupees 320. So you have divided the amount among all of them, all these three. Okay, all three persons. So this way you will get the answer. Simple it is. Write the ratio properly, find the sum of the ratio, then one by one you can solve. Okay. Okay, I'll do that one more example, second example. Okay, from your book. Let's do the second example from your book. Okay, let me write the question. Okay, question number 2, example number 2. Let's do example 2 now. In this example, you can see that it is written divide rupees 150. Okay, total amount is 150 among A, B, C and D. There are four quantities. You can name it A, B, C, D in such a way that A is to B's share is 2:3, then B is to C is 1:2, and C is to D is 3:2. So we will write all the shares. Okay, so in this case total amount is given. So total amount is rupees 150. Okay, this is the total amount. Now we are going to write the shares. So A's share is to B's share. Okay, then is to C's share, then is to D's share. Okay, Now it is mentioned that A is to B is 2 is to 3. So A is to B is 2 is to 3. Then B is to C is 1 is to 2. B is to C is 1 is to 2. 1 ratio 2. Then C ratio D is 3 is to 2. So 3 ratio 2. Now you can see that these are 4 ratios. Okay, 4 continued ratios. So how to solve this? Okay, let's solve it. 4 continued ratios. Now one by one we'll do. Okay, now 3 and 1, LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. So we will make both same, both 3. LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. So what we are going to do, we'll multiply 3 by 1 is 3 and 1 by 3 is 3. Okay, so make it same. So now both are 3. This is 3, this is 3. So 2 into 1, same you multiply here. You are multiplying this line by 3, so same row multiplied by 3. Okay, so what happened, we have solved first two. Okay, always start from this left side. So we have solved this. 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, or 1 threes are 3, both are 3. So common value, write it once, 3. Now we are solving these two. This is 2 into 3 is 6. Now 6 and 3. LCM of 6 and 3. We'll take out LCM of 6 and 3. So LCM of 6 and 3. Okay, let's take out LCM. So 2 threes are 6 and 3 as it is. 3 ones are and 3 ones are. So LCM is 2 into 3 6. So we will make this also 6. How you are going to make this 6? We'll multiply this by 2. Okay, so this is also 6. So whatever you multiply here, you'll multiply the same row by 2. Okay, so same row multiplied by 2. So this is 6 and this is also 6. So the common term 1, 6 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, so these are the 4 which we are going to write. Now next step is to find the sum of the ratios. Okay, you know the total quantity, you'll find the sum of the ratios. Okay, sum of ratios, add them, sum of ratios equals to 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 4 equals to 15. This is the sum of ratio. Okay, now you know the total amount, you know the sum, so you can find each one's share. One by one we'll solve. Okay, now A's share, okay, A's share, A is 2 multiplied by total amount 150 divided by sum of amount, sum of ratios 15. So when you will solve this with calculator, you'll get rupees 20. A's share is rupees 20, first answer. Now same way you can find B's share. B is 3. So 3 into total amount is 150 divided by sum of ratio is 15. So you will solve it with calculator. 3 multiplied by 150 divided by 15. You will get rupees 30. This is the answer. Okay, then C's share, C is 6 into total amount 150 divided by sum of ratio 15. So after solving it, you will get rupees 60. This is the third answer. Okay, now the last one is D's share. D's share. Okay, D is 4 into total amount is 150 divided by sum of ratio 15. So after solving it with calculator, you will get rupees 40. So this is the answer. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Okay. Okay, girls, now I'll do the question from exercise 5.5. Okay, question number 10 I'm solving. Now in this question, it is written that divide rupees 1550. So the total amount is given. Total amount is rupees 1550. Okay, this is the total amount, and it is given that you have to divide this amount among A, B, C, and D. There are 4 quantities, so the ratio between the shares of A and B is 2:3. Then ratio between B and C is 2:3, and ratio between C and D is 3:4. So the ratios are given. Again, you will write A, B, C, and D. There are 4 quantities. Okay, so A is to B is to C is to D. Okay. Now it is given in the question, the ratios are given. A is to B is 2:3. Okay. So 2 is to 3. Then ratio of B and C is 2:3. Again 2 is to 3. Okay. And ratio between C and D is 3:4. 3 is to 4. Okay, so one by one we are going to solve this. Okay, these are the ratios. Now we will start from the this left hand side. Okay, this 2, then this is 3 and 2, make them same. This is 3, 3, 3, this is 2. Okay, so the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6, so make them same. Make them 6. Both of them 6. So how you will make both of them 6? So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Okay, so you will multiply them to make them 6. So whatever you multiply here 2, so this row multiplied by same number. So this also you multiplied by 2. And second number is multiplied by 3, so you will multiply this also by 3. Same row multiplied by 3. Okay, so first row you have solved it. This 2 into 2 is 4. Ratio 3 into 2 6, 2 into 3 6, both are 6, so common value ones. Now we will solve these two. Okay, so 3 into 3 is 9, and 9 and 3. So LCM of 9 and 3, let's take LCM of 9 and 3. 9 and 3, so LCM is 3 into 3 is 9, 3 into 1, 3 into 1, 1. So 3 into 3, 9. LCM of 9 and 3 is 9. Okay, so this is already 9. So make this also 9. So we'll multiply this also by 3. So same row multiplied by 3. Same number you'll multiply. Okay. So now both are 9. This is 9 and this is also 9. Both are 9, so common term ones. And 4 into 3 is 12. Okay, so start from the left side. Okay, so you will make the terms same. So this you have made it same. 6, 3 multiplied by 2, same you will multiply with the this number. Okay, same row multiplied by 2. Second one number you have multiplied it by 3, so same row multiplied by 3. Okay, these two you have solved it. Then this is 3 into 3 is 9. 9 and 3, LCM of 9 and 3 is 9, so you will make both 9, so you will multiply this also by 3 to make it 9. So same row multiplied by 3, same number. Okay, so 9 and 9, write it once, common number. 4 into 3 is 12. Now you know the total amount. Now you'll find the sum of ratios. Sum of ratios. So sum of ratios means 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12. So after adding you'll get 31. Okay, this is the sum of ratios. Now you know the total amount, you know the sum of ratios, so all you can find. So let's find A's share. A's share. So A's share is 4 into total amount divided by sum of the ratios. So after calculating with calculator, answer will come 200. Okay, first answer. Then B's share. B's share. So B is 6. 6 into total amount 1550 divided by sum of ratios 31. So after calculating with calculator, you'll get answer 300. Second answer. Third one is C's share. C's share is C is 9. 9 into total amount 1550 divided by sum of ratios. So after solving it with calculator, you'll get answer 450. Third answer. And the fourth answer, D's share. Same way. Okay, D is 12. So 12 multiplied by total amount 1550 divided by sum of ratios. So answer will come rupees 600 with calculator. Okay, these are the answers. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. It is not difficult. These are easy sums. Okay, easy questions. Now the homework is, what you have to do, you have to do exercise 5.5. so you will do question 7, question 8 and question 9. Okay, if you don't understand anything, please let me know so I can explain it in the next lesson. Okay girls, please complete all your work. Take care girls, bye.